planning your content calendar, right? That's the first thing. First thing is planning a content calendar. So imagine building a house without a blueprint. It would be chaotic, right? How do you know what nails to buy? What you know, so if you say you're gonna have a header and it's gotta be this thick, then you need a nail to go down that thick, right? You have to have framers, dormers, you have to know the glues and stuff. Yes, you can buy as you go, but you need to know the next steps, right? You can find it. That's why you go and you have these plans drawn up, right? Same thing with your business, having a plan, having a plan. So for your content, a content calendar helps you stay organized. All you got to do is look at it. I love whiteboards. You look at my house, I have whiteboards, and I have on there, do this today, do this today, do this is this. And then on some days, I'm so excited where I have a bunch of things ticked off already that I had even planned that would take me more time than I thought, and then I'll be at the end of the week already, and I'm like, man, I already completed this week, and it's just like Thursday, end of Wednesday, Thursday. That makes me feel good. Or what I had scheduled for Monday, I actually have completed, and I've started over on Wednesday's items still in the allotted time that I allowed for me to work on Monday. All right.